Morning guys, so today we'll be teaching you how to install Netbeans and Java JDK. So Netbeans is the software we will be using, where it's the platform for us to be able to code Java programs, and Java JDK is for us to a software for your Java to work on your computer. So I'm gonna walk you through on how to install everything on your computer or your laptop. Requirements: of course, you need to have a computer. Make sure you determine if it's Windows, if it's Linux, or if it's Macintosh. For me, the operating system I will be using is Windows 10, and I am under 64-bit operating system. All right, let's start. First thing you need to do is we need to go to we have to install Java JDK. So all you need to do is just uh, search in Google Java JDK, press enter. And after that, you will be provided with several um, results here. I just want you to ignore the first result. Let's go ahead and go to the second result. Java SE Development Kit 15. Okay, click on that. And once you are on the Oracle website, all you need to do is scroll down, and I want you to look for the operating system that you are using. Take note, if you are using Windows 7 or Windows 10, you need to select this one. Windows times or 64. This is 64-bit installer. And make sure you have a 159 storage. And all you need to do is just press this one, JDK 15.0.2. Click on that, and it will ask you to put a check mark on the agreement and click on download JDK. After you do that, it will go to the download page. So as for me, I already downloaded it here. So all you need to do is just double click on it. Once it's downloaded, double click on it and just click yes. All right. So since it's already been installed on my end, I'll just have to click yes for it to go through everything. So just click next, next, and then close. So once it's successfully downloaded, all you need to do is we have to activate that JDK. So let's go to your disk PC, and then go to local disk C, and then go to program files, and then go to Java. Once you are on Java, double click Java, go to JDK folder. This is what we downloaded a while ago. Then the next thing you need to do, let's go inside the bin folder. Again, let's go inside the bin folder. Then after that, let's go ahead and click this part here. We will copy the path. Right click and copy. Next thing you need to do is click on the start button. Right click on the start button. Again, right click on the start button and click system. Once you do that, you will be on this screen. I want you to look for advanced system settings. Again, look for advanced settings here at the right part. Sometimes it's here, but as for me, it's here. I'll click on this, and after that, I will go ahead and click on, make sure you are on the advanced tab here, and click on environment variables. Again, click on environment variables. After that, the next thing you need to do is we need to click on new here. Again, click on new here in this area. And then what you will be doing there is that next thing you need to do, you need to go to let's go back. Let's go to environment variables. double click on path. Again, click on the path here, double click. And then what I want you to do in there, guys, I want you to click on new, click on new, and then paste in there uh, the one that we copied, okay, the path. Then click OK. After that, it's already here added on the path. The next thing you need to do is we need to click on new here. So the variable name must be Java home. The variable value must be the same, but I want you to remove on the bin. All right, remove the bin and just leave it like this, and then click OK. And then after that, you click on OK. It's already working. It's here in Java home. And I want you to click on OK, and then OK. To test if it's already working, you can run, click start, and then type in there CMD. Again, click start, and then CMD, and then press enter. To type in there like this one, Java -- version, then press enter. So if it shows like this, that means you successfully installed your Java JDK on your computer. All you need to do is just download the Netbeans software, and we're good to go. The next thing we need to do is we need to download the Netbeans. So all you need to do is go to your Google and then type in here Netbeans download. Again, Netbeans download. And after that, you click on the first result, Apache Netbeans releases. And I want you to disregard everything. Just focus on this one, Apache Netbeans 12 LTS. Click download. After that, all you need to do is select this one, binaries, Netbeans 12.0, bin.zip. All you need to do is click on this, and you will be routed to this. Since I already downloaded this one, it's giving me an error. So just click there. So I click it, and once you click that, I want you to click this part here. You click on this, and once you click on that, it will automatically download it here. All you need to do is wait for it. So since I already downloaded it here in my end, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on this one and show in folder. Since this is downloaded in a zip file, all you need to do is right click and extract files. I will extract it under documents. I will click then OK, and I'll go to documents. So here's my Netbeans, and what I'm gonna be doing here is I will go ahead and install our Java. The next thing you need to do is you have to install your Netbeans. Just double click on it, and it will be installing for you. Just wait for it to install. And as you can see, it's already working. So this is our Netbeans software. So you can have this, right click, and then send to your desktop so that it will create a shortcut on your desktop. And that should be it for our tutorial on how to install Java JDK and your Netbeans. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I will also provide the link on the description below. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day, and bye.